Morning guys, early morning Saturday. Been down to the unit yesterday to do some work on the car. Thought I'd do a little video of what we've been doing. Run VT, Errol. Morning guys, it is Saturday. It's just after 8 o'clock and yesterday came down here with my good friend Kobo and we did some work on the Mini. I'm just going to show you exactly what we done. So as you can see from the videos that we did yesterday, Kobo was in his element with the welder and yeah, we thoroughly enjoyed our day yesterday. Good bit of therapy. And sorry it's only a very short video again, but at least I'm doing videos rather than just cracking on and it's all like, ta-da, ladies and gentlemen, finished car. So I'm just going to show you some other bits. So this is the bonnet. And I've got this special drill bit here. It's a stepper drill. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this bonnet pin as a pilot to do the back holes here. One this side and one that side. So if I can hold it and do it, I will. If not, I'll try and rig up somehow to give you an idea of how to do the bonnet pins installation. So there's my drill. There's my stepper drill. And there's my bonnet pin, and basically I need to make these holes big enough to take this. Now if you notice at the top it's wider than the actual shaft. I'm going to make the shaft hole in there, and then what I'll do is I'll then use a nail file and elongate this so that this slots in like a slot rather than a hole. So that's what I'm going to do. Right, so first things first, I think like that is how we're going to do it, like that. And then we'll put them in there, pins in, and then when that's fixed in the body, that will come up and make into that hole. So what I need to do, first of all, is to position that and mark it with my trusty Sharpie that David Beckham uses to sign all his autographs. Not this one, but other ones. So there's my first hole cut, which is the right size for that. Then this will go over there like that, and you can see you can hide the hole that's underneath with the hole that's on the top. And I need to flip the bonnet over and just make that same hole on the other side. So there's the other side. So I just need to drill this hole out, same size, so that will fit through. That's what I'm going to do now. There we have it. The hole now is the right size for the thing. Now what I've got to do with this is I've got to put a big washer in here to pick up where this goes through. And then also what I did with the with my Fiesta race car is I used a piece of hose pipe, like yellow hose pipe, because the hose pipe was a similar diameter to this, and then it took up like a little bit of the sort of like it allowed you to push it down, but not allow just metal on metal. So that's what I'm going to do here. Anyway, next thing is we're going to now offer these bonnet pins up onto the car. So that's my next job. So bonnet pins, car, just got to drill some holes in the metal over there now. Right, so there's my hole, and I've got to make it that big. Probably going to use the stepper drill. If not, I've actually got some drill bits with me today. So here we go. Flipping heck, it was such hard work that the stepper drill actually has worn itself down to that to get through this hole. No, only joking. It came as a 2-pack from Lidl's. So much, I bought 2 of them. I bought my dad a pack as well. But yeah, that's the one, and it went right the way through onto the last one, which gave me my bonnet pinhole there. So now I'll drill this one out as well, and then we'll have a pair. Bloody hell, that one was a lot harder to do than the other one, and my drill started smoking a little bit, so I've left that to cool down. Fortunately, I've got 2 of them drills, but I think that's the newer one of the 2, and it was proper struggling with that. They are proper hard work, those. Okay, bonnet pins in, not obviously trimmed. I've got to trim them down both sides, but then we can offer the bonnet up onto there now. And I say, got my holes both sides, and I can offer that up onto the car, and they should poke through just about right. Hopefully I might have to cut an even bigger hole in here, just to take on the first skin, not the second skin, the first skin, just to be on the safe side. We'll see. Hopefully it won't fail. If it does fail, then it'll have to be cut so that it goes flush over this this nut. Yeah. Right, let's give it a go. So I'm really pleased with that. It's gone in quite well. We sort of cheated a little bit. We had a look on the internet to see how other people had done it, because at the end of the day, if you go on the internet, you can find out anything, and you probably find somebody's already done it before you. So it's a result. Google is my best friend. Sweet. Just need to bring them up a bit, and then I can do the other bits. Look at that. They fit in there perfect. That's brilliant. I say the front one, there's a little hole here, and then it's going to have a peg in it, probably something like this, which will go through and then pick up those ones. So as you put the bonnet on, you slot the front pegs in and then push the bonnet that way, and then you lock down onto these 2 at the back. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. They're in. So I'm going to adjust them up now. They need to come up about 5 mil both sides, and then I can put the pinny bits in. Pinny bits, these bits. So they go in. They'll go in there. So that sits like that, and then that will just go like that. And I just need to angle them so that they're angled like that, so they follow the form of the body. Look at that, that's pucker. I like that. Right, they're both in. All the 3 fixings are in. I dented the bonnet a little bit there, but we'll be able to sort that out when we get the paint. But yeah, they're in, and the front is looking good as well across the front. So my next thing is to get some decent drill bits and drill these ones out. But yeah, they're a bit on the what's the word? Those are only, they're okay, but I don't think they're designed to go through 5 or 6 mil steel bar. So they've sort of blunted themselves. Never mind. But yeah, that's that for today, I'm afraid. Just a quick visit down. I've got to going out this afternoon. So I'm going to go back home and do a little bit more at home. Going to do some tidying up. But yeah, that looks good. That looks really good. They're on there. I'm pleased with that. And they follow the form of the bonnet as well, which is even better. Lovely. So remember, if you like what you see, please tell your friends, and hopefully it won't be too long for the next video. I say I've done one a couple of weeks ago and I did one last weekend. So with any luck, I'll do another one next week. But for now, it's bye. Have a good weekend, everyone, and catch you soon. Cheers, bye.